What's up, everybody? So this is a different type of video, obviously. This is going to be my filming room once it's warm enough to actually paint. Right now it is all white, and I actually have the paint stuff here, but it's been in the teens recently. It's really cold. I had tried to set up before, but I just didn't get to it in time. There used to be this really long, horrible, ugly counter. And when I say really long, this is where it started at. And it went all the way down and came all the way to here, and it ended like right here. So it came out to right here. I'm also going to be, well, actually I should say my husband's going to be switching that out for a ceiling fan because that'll be nice up here in the summer. This is what I look like, the natural light. And I'm going to have my workstation here, like right in front of the window. So that is going to be my view. Kind of sucks that there's a power pole. There's one of my dogs right there. Kind of random, but yeah. I think this is going to be a really nice setup. I think I'll feel more comfortable up here. And it'll be nice to be able to see. I need to go check that out. There's something down there that I don't think belongs to me or my husband, so I'll have to go check that out in a little bit. But it'll be nice because we've got the squirrels, birds, obviously. It'll be my own little private area, so I'm not gonna have to worry about being in anybody's space or getting in the way. My plans is this wall right here is going, well, I say this wall. My camera strap is in the way. So right here and right here are going to be one color up to the ceiling. And then here and this wall down here, the one with the window, and this wall right here are going to be a different color. I'm thinking this one's going to be a blue, which actually this is the blue that I settled on. But it looks much darker than I thought, so I'm not sure on that one yet. But it was going to be blue and brown. I just have to wait and see. So yeah, I have tables already. My husband managed to find me like a little desk, and it has plug-ins on the side, so I could plug in a hair straightener or something like that. I can have my camera charging up here instead of the bathroom, and just plug it in that way. He also found me another really nice desk that is going to go over here for when I edit. So I have a lot of plans for this room. I just hope it warms up enough. Right now, today the high is supposed to be 60 degrees, and it's still really cold up here. Hopefully I can get like a space heater that's not as loud as the one downstairs in the bathroom to keep it warm up here during summer, because I just really want to have my own creative space. Does that make sense? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick before tour. And like I said, hopefully I can get this started soon so that we can have a more comfortable, relaxed environment and better videos for everybody else. So thanks for watching. Bye.